Hey everyone, welcome to RAWatCraft. So today we are going to make this beautiful tulip flower as requested by many of you. So firstly what I have done is I have taken a sheet of paper and I have drawn the shape of a tulip on it, and now I'm just cutting it out. So you need to do the same for this. For the way I am doing it, you need to do the same. Okay, so just cut the shape as I'm doing, and after cutting the shape, I have just erased the lines drawn by the pencil, and now I'm just pasting it on a sheet of paper. I have taken a light pink shade. You can take whatever shade of sheet you want. So now I'm just pasting it on the wider sheet, and it will be like a greeting card. You can make 2-3 flowers like this, and then it can act as a artwork, and then you can just get it framed. So now for this I am taking two shades, that is pink and yellow. So firstly I am taking the pink shade for the outline of this flower. So as you can see, the way I am using the glue and I am pasting the strip, you need to do the same for making this type of tulip flower. So as you all can see that now I have done the outlining, and now I'll move towards the front part and I'll do the outlining of that part. So I'm just measuring the strip, size of the strip I needs, and then I'm just folding it. Okay, you need to do the same for this. So now I have just cut the strip which I wanted, and now I'll be pasting it on this white sheet. Okay, so for making the tulip of this type, you need to do the same as I am doing. Color scheme you can choose according to you. So now the outlining portion is done. Okay, now we'll move forward towards this flower making, and now I'm taking a yellow sheet of paper, just giving it a little bit of curve so that it can fit in, and as I have measured, and now I have just pasted it inside. So you need to do the same. In between I have taken smaller gaps, and then I'm just pasting it. So you need to do just the same I am doing it. Okay, you can see the way I'm doing it, you need to do it this way only. So in between I'm mixing the pink as well, and yellow, I'm using the yellow very little because it is just for the shading part, rest it will be of pink color. Okay, so as you can see, this much is done. Now I am again taking yellow shade from the other end and just pasting it. Okay, so you need to do the same. Now this is done, so I'm taking some pink. Now this is also pasted. Now I'll be taking another strip. You just need to see the way I am doing it, just giving it a little bit of tilt or a curve, and then just the way I am using the Fevicol, you can use the Fevicol in the same way, it'll be easier. the flower is done, and now we are moving towards the leaf portion. For the leaf, I'm taking the green color first. It's for the stem part. Okay, so I have taken a green color strip and just given it a little bit of twist and curve, and then I'm just pasting it with the help of Fevicol. So it's almost done, and now I'll just be dabbing it over the Fevicol, and then I'll just paste it on the sheet of paper. Okay, I'm just giving it a little bit of curve like this, and now I'll be just pasting it on the strip of paper like this. I have done it, and now it's the turn for the leaf. As the tulip leaves are a little bigger, so I'll be making them a bit bigger. Okay, even for the leaf also, if you want to take a lighter green or dark green, that totally depends upon you. I'm using both the shades, lighter as well as the darker one. Okay, for the outlining portion I'm using the darker shade, and for filling it inside I'll be using a lighter shade. So this is the way I'm pasting its leaves. You can do it the same way. Giving it a little bit of turn so that it can look like a leaf. Now we'll move forward to the another leaf. So this is the another one, and I'll be pasting it. Then you need to fill it from the inside. From inside, if you want, you can fill any of the patterns you like. I'm just filling the straight or a little bit of curved lines inside it. Okay, so you just need to fill this way. If you want, you can also do some other kind of filling that will also look good. So this is the way you need to do this. Okay, so just start doing it. So now we are almost done, and this is, I think, the final one, and then our flower will be ready. So this will be our flower. Thank you.